Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Mak Putra Iskandar bin Mazmi. My metric number is 01DDT22F2029. So, when was the last time you cleaned or serviced your laptop? Basically, cleaning a laptop is essential for maintaining its performance and the longevity of the laptop. Dust, debris, and dirt buildup can cause overheating the laptop and then reduce the airflow and hardware damage. So now I will show you the step how to service your laptop by yourself. So let's go. Firstly, gather your tools. Prepare the necessary cleaning tools such as a screwdriver, soft brush, microfiber cloths, plastic scraper, and thermal paste. Ensure the tools are anti-static to avoid damaging the laptop components. Then, turn off the laptop. Make sure the laptop is completely powered down and unplugged from any power source to avoid electrical hazards. Electrical components inside the laptop can create a short circuit if the laptop is powered on or connected to a charger. Short circuits can damage components like the motherboard, processor, or other sensitive parts. Open the laptop bottom case. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws and gently lift the cover using plastic scraper. Be careful not to damage any connectors cause some laptops have cables or connectors attached to the bottom case, which can break or dislodge if handled roughly. Next, disconnect the laptop battery. Disconnecting the battery prevents accidental electric shocks or short circuits, especially when handling components like the motherboard, CPU, or memory modules. Remove the heatsink. Unscrewing all the screws at the heatsink and make sure don't put pressure on the board. Applying pressure to the motherboard while removing the heatsink can crack or warp the board, damaging the delicate traces and components. This is especially risky near the CPU and GPU sockets, which are sensitive to physical stress. And then, replace old thermal paste on the CPU. Clean the old thermal paste and replace it with a new thermal paste. Next, screw back the heatsink. Properly tightening the screws ensure that the heatsink sits flush with the CPU or GPU, providing optimal contact for effective heat transfer. Uneven or loose screws can lead to poor thermal contact, causing overheating. Clean the cooling fan. Use brush to clear the dust on the cooling fan. Dust buildup on the fan blades and surrounding areas restricts airflow, which can cause the laptop to overheat. Clearing dust improves airflow and helps maintain efficient cooling. Make sure not to bend or damage them while brushing. Bending or damaging a blade disrupts this balance, leading to vibration, noise, and potentially damaging the fan motor. After that, remove the RAM by pressing down on the clips and use the eraser pen to clean the RAM. A clean contact surface reduces the chances of connectivity issues, such as random freezes or reboots caused by loose or poor contact between the RAM and motherboard. Lastly, reassemble the laptop. Once everything is clean, reinsert the RAM and connect the laptop battery. Then, Screw back the bottom case. Turn on the laptop back on to ensure everything is working properly. And now you're done. Easy, isn't it? So you don't need to spend your money to service your laptop because it can be done by yourself, just a few tools. So I think that's all for me. Fresh laptop, smooth performance. Thank you.